Welcome to our Isoko language class today. It's rock. Ebedebelto or uto. Ebedebe means the giantness of the rock. Ebedebelto, but some still call it uto. Uto. Ebedebelto, you are referring to the rock. Whereas the stone is ubiuto. Ubiuto meaning seed of a rock. That's the stone. Ubiuto, that is for the stone. Then the dust is ovu. Ovu, that's for the dust. Another word that sounds similar is hen. Hen is ovu. Ovu, when I say hen, female chicken or what have you now. Hen is ovu, but the dust is ovu. Ovu. Hen is ovu. Get the difference now. Ovu, dust. Ovu, hen. Then seed is ubi. Seed, the seed you plant or you chew, whatever seed is ubi. Ubi. Some further buttress it to be ubiokako. Ubiokako means seed that you can plant. That's ubiokako. If not, seed generally is ubi. Ubiokako is seed that you can plant. Then crop is okako. Any crop you see, whatever level, whatever it is okako. Plant is also okako. Then mushroom is utu. Utu, that is mushroom. Utu, mushroom. Then group, a group of people is utu. What group do you belong to? Utu, utu, veworo. So I'll take that again. Mushroom, utu. Group, utu. Did you get the difference now? Utu, utu. Mud is oloho, ovie, ibere, etoto, etoto. That's mud. Etoto, oloho, ovie, ibere, that is mud. The shadow is uoho. Uoho, that is your shadow. Uoho, uohora, look at your shadow. Then shade is uolo or uoliwo, that is shade. Uolo or uoliwo, that is shade. Then tree is ure. Ure. Ure is tree. Stick is umure, small tree, that is stick. Umure, that is stick. Umure. Did you get that now? We said tree is ure. Ure. Then stick is umure. Then cane is oviavie. Oviavie, that is cane. Some will say oviavia. Oviavie, that is cane. Some will call it ukei. Ukei. So cane is oviavie. Oviavia. Ukei, that is cane. Did you get that? So and it's all oviavia as a mefai. Bring the cane, let me flog him. That is cane. Then rope. Rope is ufi. Ufi. Urile. Ufi. Urile, that is rope. Then parasite. When they say this person is parasitic or this thing is parasite, something that lives on other things for survival, is ada ebo. Did you get that? Ada ebo, that is parasite. Ada or ebo. You see some trees growing on some trees. Those are parasites. Or some animals living in some like ticks or what have you lies. They are parasites. So we call it ada or ebo. That is parasite. I am sure you've learned some words in English that you never knew existed in the Isoko language. I want you to put them to good use, and I assure you, you will know how to speak fluently. Trust me, Masai Isoko Maikufie. And I plead with you, please follow me on my social media handle. When you see this post, like. Don't just like, learn. Don't just learn. Share it. Don't just share it. Comment on it.